You're looking at your business and you're saying, gosh, I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep doing this. I still remember one of my first real diagnostic jobs with a scope, and it was a Ford product, and it had a speedometer issue where the speedometer would peg randomly going down the road. The car ran perfectly. There were no issues with the drivability of the car. And I actually went out and I bought one of the original Moduses, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it's still one of my favorite scopes of all times. That weird clicky, grindy sound it made when you turn the scope on, it was phenomenal. And so with my very, very rudimentary knowledge, right, I was very much a novice at the time. I was connecting the scope up and I was connecting into some grounds to monitor grounds and monitor the speed sensor circuits, things like that. And I was able to determine that the ignition coil had cracked, and when it cracked, it was allowing high voltage to come out and go down the bracket and into a ground nearby, and it was causing the issue. And I will never forget the great feeling that I had when I found that issue. Now I look back and I think, oh my gosh, if they were all that easy, right? I just want to come and tell you, especially you business owners, especially those of you who are technicians turned owners, you can fall in love with the management of the business the same way that you fell in love with diagnostics. You can fall in love with the process of building culture in your business the same way that you fell in love with diagnostics and tinkering and working with machines. It is a different job. It absolutely is. There's no doubt about it, but you can fall in love with it the exact same way, and you must. If you want your business to survive, if you want your business to be scalable or at least grow to a manageable level to where you can put some money back and you can take a day off and you can enjoy your life while still owning an auto repair shop, it's possible. But you've got to fall in love with learning how to manage the business. You've got to fall in love with learning how to build culture and developing the right people and putting them in place in your business. People who know it, want it, and have the capacity for it. Right? We have to put the right people in place, and you have to love the process of learning to manage your business. And that never stops. There's always something new. Now, I get giddy about the fact that I understand how to adjust my ARO through other metrics in the business, and you can do the exact same. I just want to encourage you. I know many of you right here before the holiday season, you're looking at your business and you're saying, gosh, I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep doing this. This is a lot of work. This is tough. This is hard stuff. And you're absolutely right. It is. But I promise it doesn't have to be a struggle like it is right now. I'm not saying that I don't struggle, and I'm not saying that I don't have hard times. I'm just saying that you can fall in love with the business management side just like you fell in love with the diagnostic side. Y'all have a good one.